See, in this question we are having two sources, right? So for two sources we have to take two steps, correct? So first step is keeping the first source as it is and kill the other source. So first source is which one? Current source. So I'm keeping the current source as it is, and second one is the voltage source. Will kill the voltage source. This time this I is flowing, and this time we'll mark it as I dash. So this is 6 ampere, this is 5 ohm, and this is 10 ohm, right? Now you can simply apply current division rule for the calculation of I dash. You know now what is current division rule? So we can simply get it, that is total current. According to current division rule is applicable only in the parallel circuit, and it is equal to the total current. Total current is how much? 6 ampere. And in which branch we need to calculate current, we have to take the opposite resistance. Opposite resistance is 5 ohm divided by sum of resistor which is connected in parallel, that is 5 plus 10. Okay, so I dash should be equal to 6 into 5 divided by 15, that is 1 by 3. So it would be 3 2 ja 6. So I dash is equal to how much? 2 ampere. Okay, got it? Now in the next case, what we need to do, we have to take the second source and kill first source. First source is the current source, so current source must be open circuit, correct? Then I'm drawing the diagram. Current source, in this case it is open circuit, and the voltage source will remain as it is. Now this time we'll mark it as I double dash. So this is 5 ohm and this is 10 ohm, and the voltage is how much? 45 volt. So I double dash is how much? V by R. V is how much? 45 divided by 5 plus 10 is 15, right? If we'll solve it, then we'll get it 15 3 ja 45, right? So I double dash will get it as 3. Now we can conclude I is equal to I dash plus I double dash. I dash is 2 ampere, I double dash is 3 ampere, then we'll get I as 5 ampere. That is our final answer.